If you experience a technical issue during a TOEFL at-home test, here's how to get help right away. To contact the proctor, just speak to get their attention. The proctor will usually respond right away, but it may take 30 to 60 seconds since they are also monitoring other test takers. If the proctor is trying to chat with you, they will alert you with an audio signal. If you get disconnected from the test but you still have internet service, inform the proctor by speaking or typing through the live chat. You can try to reconnect to the test by returning to the link in your confirmation email or ETS account. If, at any time, you are unable to connect to the test or contact the proctor, you can request help using the contact information in your confirmation email. For more tips about being ready for test day, visit the TOEFL website.